Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the stroller and car seat that I got at my baby shower. This is it right there. So behind me here I have the car seat and the stroller. It comes together because it's a whole travel system. So I'm going to be unboxing it and then attempting to put it together. Hopefully I can, so I can show you guys the end results and how it looks after. So let's get started. So this is the stroller and car seat. The brand is EvenFlo and it's a whole travel system, so it comes together with the stroller and the car seat. So I'm gonna start by unboxing it first. The reason I'm unboxing it already is because my baby should be here in no more than 4 weeks. Yeah. So I'm doing 3 weeks. I'm currently 37 weeks right now. So we gotta get this ready for when baby girl comes. So this is the car seat. It also comes with the installation base on the bottom. It's gray and black. what the stroller looks like. It's also gray and black. This is so the baby can be laying down right here, and then if you snap it up here, it'll keep her in a more upward position. There's also a way for me to put the car seat, to install a car seat in. And so I remove it from the base. Also allows me to put the car seat in like this, and then you just snap this up so that it's secure, and then pull this, and then now we have the stroller connected to the car seat. The little sunroof thing goes on both sides, so no sun gets in. There's also a little canopy right here. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching me set up the stroller and the car seat. It came out really nice, I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the final results. This is what the car seat alone with the base looks like. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I also might do another video unboxing my baby's bassinet and putting it up. I have plenty more video ideas in mind, so stay tuned for those because this will not be the last of my videos. I'm going to try to continue filming since it's getting closer to me having the baby. I do want to videotape memories with the baby that I'd be able to keep for a very long time, which is why I want to start doing YouTube videos again. So if you guys like this video, make sure to stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, thank you, YouTube.